We're coming down to downtown Fort Myers Beach. On our left, the public parking, maybe the largest public parking on the beach. This is what's commonly known as Times Square. Left and right, there used to be restaurants and shops here. There used to be Sunset Beach. There's a store on the left, the South Seas Trader. On the right hand side, on the right was Pete's Time Out. I remember that one. It was a Greek restaurant. All of them are gone and they're not being rebuilt, so that's the alternative, like a food truck, like Yotaku. Now here on the left, this empty lot used to be Dairy Queen. It was totally washed out after the storm. Now to check the damage of the fishing pier. It was a solid structure, it was not a wooden pier. Couldn't stand storm surge. You can see how bad the damage was. Now that's a pier side. And not so good restaurant, but the best view on the beach. Now on the good news, the new clock is in place. It was just installed a couple of weeks ago. That used to be a Kilwins. At least the pizza place is open now. Now that's the same spot, same view. 1 week after the hurricane, 1 year after the hurricane. If we keep going north from Estero, we're gonna get to the bus stop where the trolley used to be. There's a very decent bus stop, shelters, benches, and sign that tells you what is the next trolley coming in. It's all gone, replaced by a single bench now. Well, at least the beach is still there. It looks kind of good, really. Now the public restrooms, heavily damaged. There was a solid construction, cinder block and rebar. Again, storm surge beat him. You got the turtles. Now coming back, that was a 7-Eleven. It was destroyed by Charlie years ago, rebuilt. Now it's gone again. Next, the Sandcastle. It's a big hotel, still in one piece, heavily damaged, needs to be repaired. Right next, the Holiday Court, totally gone. Old school cottages, didn't stand a chance. Same with this store, the Sand Dollar Surf Shop, is damaged beyond repair. This business in the corner used to be Mango Bay, big store. More shops heavily damaged. Let's look right after the storm. Now this is a sushi place, used to be very busy. Got the shutters on, but the water got inside, is heavily damaged inside. So. Now back there, the Shipwreck Motel and store. The motel is totally gone. The store's open. Another lot that was totally wiped out with the storm surge. Used to be a jewelry shop. Now a boat sale place. Now this is Wahoo Willie's. Was about to open right before the storm. Suffered some damage, nothing that big. Well, maybe the first restaurant to reopen Fort Myers Beach. All the debris pushed on all San Carlos. This is Nervous Nelly's. Some work's being done there. I don't know if they're gonna reopen soon. They got a sign Sign's been there for 6 months. Now, under the bridge used to be a fishing pier. It became disconnected, so it's not a pier anymore. Another classic hotel from the beach, Matanzas. Matanzas Inn got heavy damage. Work has been done, they just reopened. Next door used to be an old school Florida hotel, the TP Villas. That one is gone. Coming back, we're going to take a look at the damage that at the end of Old San Carlos. There's a new park. Looks good now. It was just open before the storm. It's been rebuilt now. Sits between Snag Harbor and Nevers Nellis. It's a good location, really. Coming back on Old San Carlos. New construction for kind of good. Cigar Hut is open for those who care. Now a landmark on Fort Myers Beach, the SOB, never came back. Same next door, Felipe's, a Mexican place, shut down. Now the Yucatan, they reopened really fast. They did good. Now this waste of a space, the parking lot right next to Yucatan. I don't know why we need a huge parking lot in prime location. And at the very end used to be Wings. Now it's called Surf Style. It's good to go. Look at the damage before. It's already redone. It's not open yet. But all in all, there's some progress being made. Slow progress. There's way more work being done on the commercial side of the island. The residential part is really going nowhere.